Slope and lines. It is to prepare you for this chapter. And here's the question number 1. Fill in the blanks. I would like you to copy the questions, write down your answers, stop the video meanwhile, and then I'll give you the answers, right? Then watch the video for my answers. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Slope of a horizontal line is B. Negative slope indicates that the line is C. Slope of a vertical line is D. Slope of a line passing through point 3 minus 4 and origin is. Slope of y-axis is. Slope of a line parallel to x-axis is what? So basically that gives you like a picture of line on the Cartesian planes. Now write down your answers. Here are my solutions. So when you're looking at the line, let me just sketch one for you here. So the lines here we are talking about are like horizontal line. Horizontal line is like this. Do you see the horizontal line? The rise is 0 and whatever is run, right? So what is the slope? So slope, let's write slope equals to, what's the formula for slope? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You can also say rise over run. So that is what slope is. Now here you can see the rise is 0, right? Just horizontal. Y values are same. Do you see that? For x2 values. Therefore, horizontal line has 0 slope. Okay. Now, negative slope indicates that the line is. So whenever we see a line, or a graph for that matter, we see it from left to right. So negative slope will mean that the line is going downwards, right? So that is what the answer is. So negative slope indicates that the line is going downwards, right? As we move from left to right. Now we don't really have to say as we move from left to right, because that is how we see a graph, correct? Slope of a vertical line is. Now here, vertical lines again rise over run. Think like this. Rise is, it keeps on rising, but run is 0. Something divided by 0 is undefined. So slope of a vertical line should be undefined, right? These are some of the most important questions, and I've seen so many times students really getting them wrong. Now you will understand. That is my vertical line. There is no run here, right? So run is 0. Something divided by 0 is undefined. Slope of a line passing through point 3 minus 4 and origin. So if point is 3 minus 4, let's say 3 and minus 4, let's say this is my point here, then the slope is y2 minus y1, minus 4 over 3, right? The slope is minus 4 over 3. That is my slope. So why? Because origin is 0, right? So it is basically these values. This is the x value and this is y value. It's just the ratio of y over x, correct? Minus 4 divided by 3. Slope of y-axis is. Let's look into y-axis. This is my y-axis, right? It's a vertical line. So slope of vertical line is undefined, right? That's parallel to any other vertical line. Slope of line parallel to x-axis is, so that is our x-axis, which is horizontal. So any line which is parallel to x-axis will also have a slope of 0, correct? So this is 0. I hope you understand all these things, and now you get fairly good idea of slopes of lines. Thank you. Let's move on to question number 2.